Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to chop the muffler off my 2019 Kia Optima. That's right, we're going to go ahead and get a muffler delete done on this car. Now, a couple things you want to be careful with when you're doing a muffler delete is, one, you want to make sure that your car is not going to sound like absolute garbage. Now, actually, something that I was informed of just recently about these newer cars, since mine is a 2019, it's supposed to be with a lot of like sportier new cars and stuff, is they actually already have some type of a glass pack system in the tailpipe and everything already. So if you take that muffler off, you're not going to need to go get a MagnaFlow or a Cherry Bomb, glass pack, any of that. It's going to sound good, just like that. But if your car doesn't have any kind of stock glass pack system, then you're going to want to go and get you a MagnaFlow, something, whatever model fits your car, or, a Cherry Bomb, glass pack, whatever, just to make sure that it sounds good. And then you're also going to want to watch what level, what decibel level you're pushing out, because you don't want to instantly make your car illegal by, disturbing the peace or whatever they call it now, because you'll get a ticket for it every time you turn on your car or go somewhere, especially if you live in a residential area. And then another thing you want to make sure that you're not messing with is the emissions that are coming out of the car, because if you screw with your emissions, you are not going to pass your test for getting your car inspected and get your registration. You're not going to be able to get any of that done. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing chopped off and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so here it is. The muffler has been chopped off. The muffler on the Optima looks like this, big square boy. For those of you who don't know the inner workings of the muffler and actually what it does, I wish I had a torch to be able to cut this thing open, maybe in the future, but basically there's a bunch of lengths of metal, a bunch of pockets that have been created inside of here that air has to travel through by going around bends and curves, and every time that it's going around those curves and everything is when the sound is being reduced. So the more curves and the more places that the air has to bend and go through, the quieter your car should be. But now we have basically taken all of the bends and loops and everything out, and we've got just a straight line through out to our exhaust tip. So let's go ahead and get under the car and we'll take a look at that. And here's a little bit of a closer view of what I was talking about with the car having a quote-unquote stock glass pack system. It's not exactly a glass pack system. It actually uses I believe it's a stainless steel mesh with these newer cars. As you can see from the catalytic converter on back up there, it's basically just a straight pipe, and then we start making our bends here, and then this is where we took out the muffler. That's why a lot of these newer cars will sound good without you having to add the aftermarket mufflers like the Cherry Bombs and MagnaFlows and whatnot. And that's really good for you, because that's actually going to take the cost of doing this to your car way down. I don't know about you guys, but that sounds pretty dang good to me. That's all I got for you in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight if you're thinking about doing this to your car. Thanks so much for stopping by, and don't forget to check out the next video.